What a time to be alive. Everyone's obsessed with all things shiny. From fingertips to smiles, it's all about that juicy, glistening look. Matte is out. We want sparkle, life, and a wet look finish that feels fresh and new. This trend bubbled up in summer 2024 when people craved more fun and vibrancy. Lips and nails got glossier, looking like they'd been dipped in honey. The goal? Plump, healthy, dimensional shine that's pure joy. It's playful, light-hearted, and a welcome break from the serious. Why now? We needed a change, something optimistic and full of possibility. This isn't just makeup, it's wearable happiness, a shiny beacon in a sometimes grey world. So, let's celebrate. It's a grand day out for lips and nails. What makes this trend special? It's all in the details. The shine is bold. Think glassy, almost wet finishes that catch the light. On nails, the lip gloss mani looks clean and polished, with translucent jelly colours like stained glass. These sheer polishes let your natural nail peek through, adding freshness. Pastel shades like buttery yellow or rosy pink are especially charming. But the real magic, three-dimensional textures, clear blobs, swirls, and droplets that look like beads of dew. Artists use clever materials to sculpt tiny, touchable accents. It's not just painting, it's building mini works of art on your fingertips. The combo of high gloss, sheer color, and 3D elements makes this trend a standout. Every layer adds depth and movement, making your nails a feast for the eyes. It's like inventing. Each part has a purpose, and together, it's spectacular. How do you get this juicy look? It's all about clever techniques. For lips, use modern glosses with plumping powers. Some even tingle for a fuller effect. It's a simple trick for a three-dimensional juicy pout. For nails, nail artists use builder gel or sculpting gel to create 3D blobs and swirls. These gels are shaped, then cured under a lamp to become hard and durable. Start with a sheer jelly polish for that translucent base, then layer on your 3D elements. The see-through polish and clear gel enhance depth and cohesion. Finish with an ultra-shiny top coat for that wet, glassy effect. This seals and protects your design, making it shine even brighter. With the right products and a bit of flair, you'll have the juicy look in no time. This trend is a brilliant blend of nostalgia and modern style. It channels the playful Y2K spirit, think shiny gloss and fun nails from the early 2000s. But now, it's paired with the clean girl look, fresh, healthy, and effortlessly polished. A glossy lip or mani is the perfect accessory for this vibe. The trend is versatile. Go bold with 3D charms and vibrant colors, or keep it simple with sheer polish. It's an evolution, not just a throwback, combining Y2K fun with today's refined minimalism. Whether you're maximalist or minimalist, there's a juicy look for you. This mix keeps things exciting and new, never stale. Like a classic recipe with a modern twist, it's all about making the trend your own. That's the real beauty. Everyone can invent their own version. Let's talk tools. For lips, hydrating glosses with ingredients like hyaluronic acid are everywhere. Popular picks include Refi Lip Gloss and Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm, plus plumping options for extra fullness. For nails, Butter Yellow is the shade of the moment, cheerful and perfect for a glossy base. Chrome Powder adds a futuristic shine, taking the juicy look up a notch. For 3D nail art, sculpting gels and metallic liners let you build and decorate tiny masterpieces. The possibilities are endless. Mix colors, add decals, or try ombre designs. Fruit-themed nails like tiny strawberries or cherries are especially fun and playful. The tactile shapes and glossy finish make them look almost edible. It's all about creativity. Your nails become a mini canvas for joy. With the right contraptions, you can invent any look you dream up. That's what makes this trend so irresistible. The 3D lip gloss trend feels youthful, fresh, and full of life. A swipe of gloss brightens your face, while playful nail art adds a spark of fun. It's light, airy, and never overdone, a cheerful pick-me-up for any day. The trend's versatility is its strength. Go bold with color and texture, or keep it simple and chic. Anyone can join in, no matter your age or style. It's about feeling good and expressing yourself, not following strict rules. Whether you're out for a big night or just running errands, a touch of gloss makes you feel polished. This is a trend for everyone, a little invention for everyday happiness. Sometimes, the smallest details make the biggest difference. Ready to try the trend? Here's how to start. For lips, pick a comfortable, hydrating gloss, clear or with a hint of color. One swipe gives instant juiciness. For a lip gloss mani, shape your nails, apply a sheer jelly polish, then finish with a shiny top coat. Want to try 3D? Use a toothpick to add tiny dots of builder gel, then cure under a lamp for a subtle raised effect. Start simple, then experiment with colors like butter yellow or a touch of chrome. The key is to have fun and express yourself. There's no wrong way. Whether you love bold or minimal, there's a juicy look for you. So grab your glosses and gels and invent your own signature style. It's a grand adventure. Let your creativity shine.